Hi, I'm Nasli Lopez, IoT and Software Product Manager at Circutor. And today I want to introduce the new LM-A42-D11 and LM-D44, two new devices designed to improve how to manage analog and digital signals in any environment. These devices come with Modbus RTU via RS485 and Modbus TCP IP via Wi-Fi. Both models have 4 connectors, one on top for AC power and 3 additional connectors for RS485 input-output interfaces. They are designed to fit on a 3-module DIN reel using clip system for a quick and secure installation. LM-A42-D11 offers 4 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs, which can be voltage or current configurable, 1 digital input voltage free and 1 relay output. On the other hand, the LM-D44 includes 4 digital inputs and 4 relay outputs. So, what's new with the LM devices? 1. Alarm management to detect when the values go in or out of a range and triggers actions via relay. 2. Automatic unit conversion showing measurements directly in the physical units being monitored. 3. Hour counter, which tracks how long a digital input remains active, useful for monitoring equipment use and working toward an energy saving certificate. 4. Compatible with my config app from Circutor, allowing fast and easy basic configuration. 5. Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling Modbus TCP IP communication and access to the built-in web server with a friendly and intuitive interface for advanced settings. Thanks to their smart design, these devices can work on their own without needing a central control system. This makes them an ideal solution for a wide range of applications where control, monitoring, flexibility, and easy integration are essential. The new LM models replace the LM-A42-D11 and LM-A42-D11 with full compatibility. We kept the Modbus map, so no changes are needed in your system. We have reduced the size from 4 to 3 DIN modules instead, which avoids space problems in your electrical panel. They also support both 230 and 110 power, keeping the flexibility in any environment, and are compatible with Power Studio for setup and monitoring. You can upgrade your system easily with no worries about compatibility or big changes. In a few words, the LM-A42-D11 and LM-D44 combine versatility in communication, easy setup, and compatibility with previous models, offering a powerful and flexible solution for your automation projects. If you have any projects in mind or doubts how the LM devices can improve your processes, do not hesitate contacting us. See you next time.